Hi guys, my name is Leslie DePiero from Lesley's in the House. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm at my client Laura's house where I'll be turning Laura's backyard into a beautiful space for her and her family and friends to enjoy throughout the seasons. I'm really excited because not only will I be shopping for fabulous accessories to elevate Laura's patio, I'll also be incorporating several DIY projects to add some fun and unique pieces to the space. But before I do, please make sure to give a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any videos that I post weekly. Okay, so today is project day. Join me as I'll show you step by step how to do these fun, easy, and affordable DIY projects. First is leveling up this simple garage door. We want to take this plain Jane and jazz her up a little bit. So the first thing that we're going to do is prep for painting. We're going to take this plain white door and we're going to add a soft shade of yellow. We'll also be switching out the doorknob. Let's get started. Okay, that was a total fail. I went to take off the doorknob and the screw is stripped. So I have to get my drill, which I don't have with me right now. So for now, I just taped up the doorknob. And once I get my drill, I'll remove the doorknob. Next, I'm going to take the magic eraser and I'm just going to clean off the door before I start painting. Next is using an exterior paint. This is a satin finish and the color is called Celeria, which is like a creamy, soft yellow. I'm so excited. Okay, there's the first coat. I think it looks really pretty. It adds a nice, warm, sunny feel to the door. But just wait until we're finished because I found this really cool candle holder. It's supposed to go like this, but I'm going to remove this part. And this is going to act as a makeshift window. So since this is a solid door, why not put a little mirror on top to make it look like a window? And then I'm going to add some accessories to the door just to dress it up. While I let the door dry, let's go on to our next project. Okay, guys, while I'm waiting for the paint to dry on the door, I'm going to start our next project. So I'm going to hang some wall art on the back of Laura's garage that backs up to the patio. So I wanted to hang this sign, which I thought was really, really sweet. Welcome to our patio. But I felt it was a little skimpy. And what I came up with was this piece of wood. And what I'm going to do is I am going to lay this down and I'm going to take this and I'm going to lay it right on top. Now it looks a little more substantial, a little more finished. I had to bring out this special guest. This is Bella. She's so adorable. And she gives such nice kisses too. Bella isn't my only special guest. Jim is also joining us today. Jim is Laura's husband, and he is super handy, talented, and knowledgeable when it comes to anything that requires a drill, hammer, heavy lifting, basically everything. I'm so thankful that Jim offered to help me out on some of our projects today. Jim is using Gorilla Glue to help adhere the wall art to the wooden frame. Since this is going to be outside, I am going to put a coat of clear polyurethane on it to protect it from the weather. That is project number 2. Project number 3 is I have this planter, which again is wood. So I'm going to fill it with some fake succulents because you know what? I can't keep anything alive and the succulents look real. So it's a great way to add, plants outdoors, and not have to take care of them. Low maintenance. I love that. But anyway, so we're going to polyurethane this as well to protect it from the outside elements. Let me move the stuff over to the tarp and we'll start painting. Okay, so now we are going to polyurethane this planter so we can protect it from the outdoor elements. Thank goodness the sun is going down. It's later in the afternoon and it has been really hot today, very humid. and it's been drizzling on and off. And I think I want to do 2 coats of this just because we live in Bergen County and we get all kinds of weather, rain, snow, sleet, hail, and I want this to last the test of time. Checking for any drip marks. It looks pretty good. I want to paint inside too, just to seal the whole planter. Okay, so project number 3 completed. We're going to let that dry. Now,
Laura. She's my other special guest and homeowner of this lovely house. Laura wanted to participate today too. Guys, I absolutely love when my clients want to be part of the decorating process. Laura is polyurethaning these 2 stunning accent tables I purchased. We're going to use them as buffet tables for Laura to use when hosting guests. So since they will be outside, we wanted to protect them with polyurethane so they could withstand the ever-changing weather. Thanks, Laura. Okay, next project is building decorative poles to hang cafe lights. Jim is joining us again to show us step by step just how to create beautiful accent poles that will safely secure the weight of the commercial grade cafe lights that I purchased. Okay, materials needed is concrete and container for mixing, decorative hangers, hooks and wires to attach and secure lights, beam anchors or supports that I purchased at Lowe's, and large planters. I chose these heavy-duty decorative planters that I found at HomeGoods. Guys, it's really important that the planter you choose is just as wide on the bottom as it is on top. The beams are 4 by 4 wide by 10 feet tall. Okay, first step. Jim drills holes on the top of the beam to hang the hooks and wires needed to support the cafe lights. Next, Jim attaches the beam anchors to the bottom of the beam to help support the beam when inside the planter. Now it's time to mix the concrete with water. Jim suggests that the mix resemble dough. That's definitely something I can relate to, guys. Anyway, you want to make sure to add water gradually and mix thoroughly. Next, Jim places the beam into the planter. Next is carefully layering the concrete mix into the planter while smoothing out the mixture. Jim then uses a level to make sure the beam is balanced properly. He then used twine to secure the beam in place while the concrete sets and dries. Oh my God, how sweet is this? Jim adds Laura and his initials to the concrete before it sets. Oh, and check out this beautiful shrub that Jim pruned in the shape of a heart. I can't, guys. How sweet is that?
okay, it's been a long but very productive day. Next up is installing all the decor that we completed today, along with the items I purchased to help turn Laura's patio into a great place to relax and entertain. Make sure to click that notification bell so that you can be alerted as to when I post my next video. I want to give a huge shout out to my clients, Laura and Jim, and I can't forget Bella, the most adorable dog, for all the hard work they have done with helping me with all the DIY projects that are only going to make their backyard patio into a beautiful retreat. I love when my clients choose to be part of the design process. I always walk away learning something new, and my goal is to teach decorating tips and tricks to my clients along the way. Remember, you can always refresh any space in or around your home without spending a ton of money. All it takes is a little creativity and a little elbow grease. My name is Leslie Tapiro from Lesleysinthehouse. Make sure to give a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted to when I post Laura and Jim's backyard reveal. Until next time. Bye, friends.